Hello everyone, I am engineering Khalid Hamza, sales engineer in John Jane Khawat Company. It's a pleasure to me to introduce this is the second hand car. This is very strong car. The company is Sanchi Donka X3000. This car is about 55 horsepower, and also it has a big cabin. This cabin is air conditioning, Also it's manual with 12 speeds. The maximum speed is about 120 kilometers per hour. The maximum mass which this car can carry is about 40 tons. It has a very big tank made from aluminium. It can take 75 liters. It have about 10 wheels, all are tubeless. Thank you.